I'm about to go get the keys to my new place. Your girl is excited. So let's get it pushing. I'm taking my roommate's dog just because. London, get up here. London. See, that's why I can't take you nowhere. Get upstairs. Get up. Come here. Okay, he wanted to go back inside, so I'm putting him back. Okay, I guess he's coming. Okay. What I don't have time for is to chase him, so I just had to put him in the car. Let me find my keys. Yeah, my keys. I just got them. Is it just me, y'all, or do y'all purses be mad thick, like mad deep? My purse is always a mess. It's nothing to be proud of, but it is. It's always a mess. Why does it take so long? I feel like I tried this key 5 billion times. It's cold, y'all. Oh, so cold. Sit, y'all. Okay, y'all, so as y'all saw, I'm about to go pick up my keys. And if y'all asking, Latrice, why are you going to get your keys in the middle of the night? Well, it's because I'm thirsty. And I have to get the keys at 12 o'clock a.m. on the day that I actually move in, which is today. I'm so excited, guys. The amount of content that I am going to push from this freaking video. Like, I can taste my 1,000 subscribers. Like, we almost at 200, which is almost at 8. It's so crazy because we about to, I really went full-fledged into my YouTube and like, I'm gonna say like, ooh. Hold on, y'all. What? Y'all look at this. I'm about to take this and put it in my new house. I gotta wait until I come back. But do y'all see this big mirror? Oh, I'm putting it in my house. I don't know how is it broke? It is a little broke. It's a little broke right here, but that don't even matter. We gonna fix that. It's gonna be a nice mirror for, oh yes. I gotta get that. We gonna get that once I get back, y'all. We gonna get that for sure. Cause I was gonna order a mirror. I seriously was gonna order a mirror. Yeah, I was gonna order a mirror from Amazon, and they like $200 up, and not even, my God, they like $200 up and up, and that's not even like the really, really big ones like that baby right there. Bet it's mine. You guys, I am the type of person, I don't know if I want to put my business out there, but I am the type of person, if I drive past something that someone has thrown away, I will rehab it, okay? I will rehab it, clean it, and keep it. And you will never know. You'll never know. I mean that. I absolutely mean that. My God, y'all, I really need to get one of them, what's the thing called? I really need to get one of them, things that you put in your car that holds your phone. It's not really a tripod, but whatever it is that they be using, I need to get one. I don't even know what they're called, but I need to get one. Oh, that mirror is going to be fire. Like, and I bet you it's heavy, so I don't even know how I'm gonna get it to my house. But what I do know is that I'm going to, oh, the popo out. But what I do know is that I am going to get that mirror. I don't know how, but I'm gonna get that mirror. I just have to. And it's not too far from my house, so I won't have to do too much moving it, but I'm gonna get it. Y'all gonna see when y'all see it in my house. And my movers come tomorrow. Yeah, my movers come tomorrow, so my movers come tomorrow, so I'm definitely getting that. But anyway, this is annoying. But anyway, y'all, so yeah, we headed to my house so we can pick up the keys. I'm gonna give y'all like a little preview, but I'm gonna give y'all like a better preview when I actually move in. I'm gonna give y'all an empty apartment tour or whatever. I'm so excited, guys. Y'all don't even understand. I'm kind of just rambling, but I'm so freaking excited. I have so much to do. I literally just sat in my house. I maybe packed for like 2 hours, and then like the last 2 hours I just sat on the floor and watched Aaliyah Face. Like, sat there the entire time and watched her vlogs or whatever. I don't know, since I'm trying to get into vlogs, I really like to watch people's vlogs who, not that I want to mimic, but I like to watch people's content that I'm interested in, that I want to pursue, like the same style of just content. So yeah, I watch a lot of her. I watch a lot of Gina. I watch, who else I watch? I watch Luxury Ty a little bit. I like her story because she went full-fledged on YouTube for like a year, and now she had like, I don't even think she hit her year mark, but she like damn near a year. She was uploading constantly, and she had like what, 60, almost 70,000 subscribers. So you know, we trying to glow up over here. I enjoy really doing this. It's just time that I stop sleeping on myself. You hear me? That was like one of the things that I promised to myself in 2021 that we was gonna do. Everybody always, I know everybody be like, I always, not I, but you know, figuratively, they be like, you know, I'ma focus on this, I'ma do this. Everybody always creating them New Year's resolutions, but you know, I created my vision board. I created my New Year's resolutions of the things I was gonna do, and I was like, you know, I'm not playing with myself no more. I'm not sleeping on me. It's too many talents, too much talent that I'm trying to help other people, build other people. We ain't going out like that no more. We coming hard, full throttle. You hear me? You hear me? Like, we not playing no games. So yeah, y'all, I'm just really excited for this new beginning that's coming, because I don't know, like, it's, to me, it's more than just like, oh, I'm moving downtown. You know, it's more, it's a lot behind this. It's a lot behind what I got going on right now, and you know, I'm not playing with you hoes. That's what I know. That is what I know. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all. Oh, I look kind of cray-cray, but whatever. I'm packing, we getting to it. I'm gonna talk to y'all though when I actually make it to my new apartment. This my shit. This is mine. Mine. Do you hear me? Bruh. Man, you guys, I just left my apartment. Man, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed, Joe. I'm so blessed. One day I'm gonna share my story. Today, not the day, but I'm blessed. My apartment is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I do. I deserve all of it. I ain't even trying to sound cocky. I deserve all that shit. Every last piece of it, I deserve that. I'ma hit y'all. I'm headed home, and I'm just feeling real blessed. So I'ma hit y'all when I get home. Guys,
It's been real.
it's been mad real, but we outie. Say bye, Pilsen. So long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. It's been great to play and sing together in the box, and now it's time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now, until we meet